Some women won't tell you they love you, not because they don't, but because saying those words out loud feels like standing in front of you without armor. They care so deeply that silence becomes their shield. They stay quiet while their heart is screaming your name. And the crazy part, most men miss it. They walk away from a woman who would have given them everything, all because she didn't say the words they were waiting to hear. But her silence has signs, clear ones, strong ones, signs that only a man who's paying attention will notice. So today I'm breaking down 7 silent signals a woman gives when she truly loves you but can't bring herself to say it. And once you understand them, her silence will finally make sense. Let's begin. Sign 1, she pays attention. Even when you don't notice, there's a funny thing about a woman who loves you silently. She becomes this quiet keeper of your details, almost like she's building a small private map of your life in her mind, but she never announces it. She listens to you differently. Not casually, not the way people listen when they're waiting for their turn to talk. Her listening is slow, focused, almost gentle. When you tell her something, even something small or random, she files it away without thinking too hard about it. And then later, when you least expect it, it comes back. You'll mention some random thing about how you hate a certain smell, and next time you're together, she'll avoid wearing anything close to it. You'll talk about how you liked a certain candy when you were a kid, and one day she'll hand it to you like it's nothing. But it's not nothing. It's her love showing up quietly, trying not to make noise. She does this because she wants to know you, not the surface you, but the real you that slips out in small pieces. She keeps your little stories the way someone keeps old letters, not because they're useful, but because they feel warm. This isn't normal memory. This is emotional memory. And emotional memory only kicks in when someone matters more than they admit. Most men misunderstand this. They think, oh, she's just thoughtful, or she probably remembers everything. No, she doesn't. She remembers you. She remembers because she cares. A woman will not store this kind of detail about a man she feels nothing for. It's not how the mind works. The thing is, she will never tell you she remembers because she doesn't want to look too invested. She's trying to look calm on the outside, even though her heart takes notes every time you talk. So she'll act casual, like it didn't take effort, like she just happened to recall something you said. But the truth is, she was paying attention long before you notice love makes people pay attention differently. It sharpens their focus. It makes them care about things they didn't care about before. When she remembers the little things, when she brings them up at the right moment, when she treats your small details like they're part of her daily thoughts, that's not coincidence. That's quiet attachment. That's a woman trying to build connection without exposing how much she's already feeling. So when she remembers something tiny, something you barely recall saying, don't ignore it. That's not random kindness. That's not good memory. That's heart-level attention, and heart-level attention only happens when a woman is silently loving you, hoping you'll see it without her having to speak it out loud. Sign 2, her body turns toward you without thinking. If you really want to know what a woman feels, stop focusing on her words and start watching her body. A woman who loves you silently will never say it first, but her body will whisper it in ways she doesn't even notice. It's not something she plans, it's not something she rehearses. It just happens because attraction, emotional or physical, has its own language, and this language doesn't know how to lie. You'll notice the obvious things first. Maybe she shifts her body toward you when you're talking. Maybe her feet point in your direction even when she's speaking to someone else. Maybe she leans a little closer without meaning to. But these small movements aren't random. They're instinctive. The body drifts toward what the heart wants, even when the mind is trying to stay cool. When she walks into a room, see who she orients herself toward. When she laughs, notice who she looks at first. When she sits near you, watch how her body relaxes in your direction. These are tiny signals, almost invisible unless you're watching carefully. And most men aren't watching. They're waiting for big declarations, not noticing the soft gravity pulling her toward them. Even her nervousness around you is part of this. She might fidget with her hair. She might adjust her clothes. She might shift her posture more than usual. usual. She's not trying to impress you in any dramatic way, but her body is reacting because she feels something. When a woman likes a man, her body tries to make itself presentable without needing a plan. You might also see her mirroring your movements. If you lean back, she leans back. If you cross your arms, she does the same. If you laugh, she laughs a moment later with the same rhythm. This is not her copying you consciously. This is emotional syncing. People mirror those they trust, admire, or feel drawn to. It's the body's way of saying, I feel close to you, without using words. Her eyes, too, will give her away. She may glance at you more often than she intends to. Sometimes it's quick, almost like she's afraid you'll catch her. Other times it lingers, soft but heavy. A woman in silent love watches the man she loves even when she thinks he isn't looking. She checks him the way someone checks something precious, making sure it's still there. What makes all this real is that she isn't doing it on purpose. It's not a game, it's not a tactic. It's simply her heart speaking through her body. And because she's trying to stay silent, her body becomes louder. If she turns toward you naturally, if her presence leans in your direction without force, if her eyes keep finding you even in a crowded room, that's not chance. That's her love showing itself quietly, hoping you see what she's too scared to say. Sign 3. She makes your life easier in small, consistent ways. A woman who loves you silently won't say it with grand gestures. She won't stand on a stage and make a speech about how much she cares. Instead, she'll show up in your life through small, steady things that make your day smoother. These actions are soft, almost hidden, but they're the kind that stick in your mind long after the moment passes. She'll notice when you're tired and bring you something warm to drink. She'll send you a message when she knows you're stressed, not with long advice, but with a short line that feels like comfort. She'll offer help when she senses you need it, even if you never ask. She might share something she found that she knows you'll enjoy, a video, a quote, a song, not because she's trying to impress you, but because you crossed her mind at a random moment. This is how she shows love: quiet effort, simple kindness, support without noise. She does these things because you matter to her, and because she doesn't want to confess her feelings yet, these actions become her voice. She thinks, I can't say it, but I can show it. The thing about this kind of love is that it doesn't demand anything from you. She's not doing these things to get something back. She's not keeping score. She's not trying to prove she's better than anyone else. She's simply trying to be a soft place in your life, the kind of person who makes things a little lighter. You may not notice right away, but these small touches build over time. And if you pay attention, you'll see that she only does this for you. She doesn't treat everyone this way. She may be kind in general, but the effort level is different. There's a consistency with you, a pattern that shows up even when she's busy or tired. She remembers your needs. She notices when something's off. She gives her time without making a show of it. Some men confuse this with friendliness, but friendly people don't move with this kind of intention. Friendly people don't show up for you when life gets heavy. Friendly people don't try to ease your burdens quietly like it's part of their instinct. A woman who loves you silently will try to make your life a softer place. She'll help you fix things before you even know they need fixing. She'll celebrate your small wins. She'll show interest in the things you care about, even if they're not her thing. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present in quiet ways. And if you're seeing this kind of steady care, it's not random. It's not politeness. It's a woman loving you behind her walls, hoping you'll understand what her silence can't say. Sign 4. She protects your name and stands up for you. This sign is one most men never see directly, but it carries some of the deepest meaning. A woman who loves you silently becomes protective of you in a way that surprises even her. She defends you in rooms you're not in. She stands up for your character when someone tries to twist it. She corrects people gently when they misunderstand you. And she does all of this without telling you, because she's not doing it for credit. She's doing it out of care. If someone says something unfair about you, she feels this little pinch inside, almost like someone scraped something fragile. She can't sit there quietly while others speak badly of you. She steps in, not loudly, but firmly, using simple words that carry weight. I don't think that's true, or he's not like that, or maybe you misunderstood. She doesn't attack people. She doesn't turn it into drama. She just protects your name in the most loyal, steady way. It's instinctive. She can't help it, because when someone loves you, even silently, your reputation becomes important to them. They care how others see you. They care if someone misjudges you. They care if someone reduces you to a version that isn't fair. When she talks about you to others, it's always positive. She mentions your strengths. She highlights the things she admires about you. She might share a story that shows your kindness or your effort or the way you treat people. She does this because she sees the good in you and she wants others to see it too. A woman who loves you quietly also watches how people treat you. If someone tries to take advantage of you, she notices. If someone disrespects you, she feels it. She might not say anything in the moment, but you'll see it in her tone later. You'll hear it in the way she talks about that situation. She's not jealous, she's protective. There's a difference. Her loyalty shows in small ways. When she listens to you talk about your problems, she doesn't judge you. She listens with this warmth, like she's on your side without you having to ask. She defends you even in her own mind, giving you the benefit of the doubt, because that's what love does. It looks deeper. And here's the beautiful part. She does all this quietly. She doesn't make it known. She doesn't wait for you to praise her for it. She doesn't expect applause. She just cares. She just supports. She just protects. If you ever hear from someone else that she spoke highly of you or defended you or stood up for you when you weren't around, understand what that means. That's not normal. That's not casual behavior. That's heart-level loyalty. That's silent love showing up in one of the strongest ways it can, through the way she guards your name like it's connected to her own sign 5. She gets nervous, even if she tries to hide it. Love makes even the strongest woman feel a little unsteady, especially when she's trying hard not to show it. A woman who loves you silently often feels this strange mix of excitement and fear every time she's around you. She wants to appear calm, but her body has its own response. You'll see little signs, barely noticeable but real if you're paying attention. Maybe her laugh gets a little louder when you say something, or maybe it gets softer, like she's trying to hold it back. Maybe she fixes her hair more than usual. Maybe she adjusts her shirt, even though it was fine a moment ago. Maybe she checks her phone just to avoid staring at you too long. These tiny behaviors aren't signs of discomfort. They're signs of emotional overload. Her voice might shake just a bit, or she might talk slightly faster. She might fumble a word, laugh at herself, and then try to regain her balance. She's not clumsy. She's in love, and love makes people act in ways they can't fully control. It's not drama, it's not shyness, it's emotional intensity. What's interesting is how she tries to mask it. She will do everything she can to seem normal. She'll tell herself, "Don't stare," or "act cool," or "don't let him see how nervous you are." But her body doesn't always cooperate, so you get this mix of confidence and hesitation, calm and tension. And that mix is the clearest sign she feels something deeper than she's letting on. Watch her eyes. She may avoid long eye contact because it feels too intimate, or she may look at you longer than she means to, and when she realizes it, she looks away quickly. That little moment, the look and the sudden retreat, that silent love trying not to expose itself. Her energy also shifts around you. She might become more aware of how she's sitting or standing. She might overthink what she says, not because she wants to impress you with perfection, but because she doesn't want to say something silly. She wants you to think well of her. That's pressure. And pressure creates nerves. Even physical distance tells a story. Sometimes she comes a bit closer than usual, then backs away because she's scared it's too obvious. Other times she keeps a bit of distance, not because she doesn't like you, but because she likes you too much and she's afraid you'll notice it. You'll also see small slips, moments where her real feelings leak out. Maybe she blushes when you praise her. Maybe she gets awkward when someone teases her about you. Maybe she gets quiet for a moment when she wants to say something but thinks it's too risky. All these things stacked together paint a clear picture. She's nervous because she cares. She's nervous because your presence matters to her. And that nervousness, no matter how much she tries to hide it, is one of the most honest signs of silent love. Sign 6, she asks about your future to see if she fits. There, a woman who loves you quietly won't come right out and ask, "Do you want a future with me?" That feels too vulnerable, too bold, too exposing. So instead, she asks questions that seem harmless on the surface but hold deeper meaning underneath. She's trying to figure out if her heart is safe with you, but she disguises it as simple curiosity. She'll ask things like, "What do you want in life? Where do you see yourself in a few years? What makes you feel alive? What are your dreams?" To you, it might sound like normal conversation, but for her, it's a quiet test. She's listening for direction, values, stability, and emotional maturity, not in a judgmental way, but in a hopeful way. She wants to know if your life and her life move in similar parts. Women who love silently are careful with their future. They don't just jump, they think, they observe, they try to understand. And when she asks about your goals, she's not being nosy. She's imagining what it would feel like to walk beside you. She's checking if her heart can safely picture something real with you. She might ask how you feel about relationships, not directly, but in roundabout ways. She might ask what you think makes a good partner. She might ask if you want a family someday. She might ask what kind of life would make you feel stable. These questions are gentle, but they're loaded with emotion. She's also watching how you talk about yourself, how you handle setbacks, how you treat people, how you think about your own growth, because she's not just thinking about the now, she's thinking about the long run. You'll notice she listens carefully when you talk about your dreams. She pays attention to the kind of man you want to become. She pays attention to your pace, your hope, your worries. She may even ask follow-up questions that show she wasn't just hearing you, she was absorbing you. She might also share small pieces of her own dreams, but not all at once. She gives you the edges of her heart slowly, just to see how you handle them. If you respond with interest, her hope grows. If you respond with warmth, she opens a little more. She's not trying to pressure you. She's not trapping you. She's just trying to understand if the man she's silently loving is someone she can walk into the future with. And she asks these questions because she cares, even if she pretends it's just conversation. When a woman cares about your future, your goals, your direction, your hopes, it's because she secretly wants to be part of that story. She's not just imagining a man she loves. She's imagining a life where her love actually fits, quietly hoping that you'll see it too. Sign 7, she gets jealous, quietly, and tries to hide it. Jealousy is one of the hardest feelings for a silent lover to hide. She tries, truly. She doesn't want to seem controlling or dramatic. She doesn't want to scare you away or expose her heart too quickly. But when she loves you silently, her emotions react before her mind gets a chance to step in. And jealousy becomes one of the clearest signs. Not loud, not messy, but soft and visible if you're paying attention. You'll notice it when another woman talks to you a bit too comfortably. Her smile might fade for a second. Her eyes shift. She becomes quieter, almost like she's trying to hold her breath. She won't say anything. She won't roll her eyes. She won't make snarky comments. But the energy changes and you can feel it. She might pull back just a little, not because she's angry, but because she's hurt. That sudden distance is her heart trying to protect itself. She thinks, don't show it. Don't let him see. She acts normal, but her tone gets soft, slower, or slightly shaky. Sometimes she'll make a tiny joke, something light like, oh, she seems close to you. But the weight behind the joke gives away how she really feels. She doesn't want to sound upset, so she wraps her insecurity inside humor. But the truth is, she's scared. Scared of losing you to someone who doesn't hesitate the way she does. Her jealousy isn't loud. It's not toxic. It's not the kind that tries to control you. It's the quiet kind, the kind that comes from caring deeply and wanting to matter to you. When a woman loves silently, every small threat feels bigger than it is. Not because she's dramatic, but because she's emotionally invested without the security of knowing how you feel. You may also notice she pays more attention to the women around you, not to judge them, but to compare herself. She wonders if they're prettier, funnier, more open. She wonders if they're giving you what she's too scared to give you yet. And that wondering hurts her, even though she tries to smile through it. She might become extra kind to you in those moments, or oddly distant. Love makes women react in opposite ways sometimes. Some come closer, some step back, but both reactions come from the same place: fear mixed with affection. She hides her jealousy because she doesn't want to push you away. She hides it because she doesn't want you to think she's needy. She hides it because her love is still quiet, still tender, still afraid. But the signs are there. In her silence, in her shift of energy, in the way her eyes soften and harden in the same moment. A woman who doesn't care shows nothing. A woman who cares shows something, even when she tries her hardest not to. Her quiet jealousy isn't weakness, it's proof. Proof that her feelings are real, deep, and fighting their way through the silence she still isn't ready to break. What to do when you notice these signs? If you're seeing several of these signs, here's the truth. She loves you quietly, deeply, and she's waiting for you to make it safe for her to open up. So don't sit back and wait for a confession. Don't expect her to be the one who breaks the silence. Show her through your behavior that you're solid. Speak kindly to her. Be present. Make your intentions clear. Give her space to trust you enough to let her walls down. Because the worst kind of heartbreak is when a woman who loved you silently walks away, thinking you never cared.